Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw the Human Torch Flame On transformation from Fantastic Four First Steps, step by step. Like I said in my previous video, this is a 7-part series where I draw all the Fantastic Four characters. To stay notified, make sure to, well, you know what to do. Without further ado, let's get on with this video. Okay, start by drawing a circle near the top of the page. For the jaw, draw a couple of lines going down as shown in the video. For the neck and body, draw 3 diagonal lines. The first one going to the left, the second one going to the right, and the one going down. Draw another one that goes opposite the longest one. On the left side, draw 3 more diagonal lines for the arms and the other part of the body. Draw 2 lines going up for the hair and connect them with the rest of the body. Then follow me as I draw the Fantastic Four logo. To help you draw the facial features, draw a plus sign on top of the head. And then copy me as I draw the nose, rectangular eyes, rectangular eyebrows, and rectangular mouth. Take out a ruler and draw a diagonal line to separate the fire from the rest of the body. Now you can feel free to do whatever you want, as it doesn't really matter what shape the flames are. However, you can still copy me as I do them. Remember to erase any guidelines and make the shape of the head more curved. You can add more flames to the arms and the sides of the body to make the transformation look more real. You can make the chest look smoother by curving out the jagged lines. And we're done. Now, let's light the torch. And there you have it, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you're ready to see the next characters. Right now you can check out my other video of me drawing Mr. Fantastic from the same movie. Also, you can check out another video of me drawing Superman in 4 different styles. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.